Welcome, dear Karishma, to your eighth learn classes or to Insignia Learning. So, in the previous class, we were learning about the different type of the scientist etymology, especially of all those scientists. So, let me give you a little quick glimpse what we have learned. So, we learned that what is our relation with our star. Those people who study the arrangement of the stars, initially we call them astronomer. Okay, the subject is astronomy, and the adjective is astronomical. We can use this as a figurative meaning to show very very large huge amount, like the astronomical debt, which means extremely big large debt. And we look the etymology of the astronaut, which literally means sailors in among the star, meaning those people who sail in the star, we call them astronaut. Thereafter, we learned about some nautus. So it is a distance, nautical. So it is related to the sailor, ship, navigation. It comes from nautus, which basically means ship. Nausea is sea-related disease. Then we talked of astronomy. Astronomer are based on the root astron, which means a star. So there are multiple words that are based on the similar root, like asterisk, astrophysics, and we talked of disaster. Disaster basically means against the arrangement. The stars are against us. That's why we face some kind of natural calamities, disasters, especially the tidal waves, tides. Okay. So combining notus to autonomy, so it becomes self-rule, and we can also make some metronome, which is a device especially used by the musicians. We talked of the earth. These people study beneath the earth, that the mineral composition of the earth. We call them geologists. And geographer are those people, literally it means the maker of the map, like the map drawer. So map shows everything about geography, the surface features, topography, and so many things. So based on this, we looked on to few words like autobiography, biography, biopsy, and autopsy. Keep note on these two words, especially that is biopsy. So it is a kind of examination when somebody is having cancer like this disease. So we cut small part from that particular part and we examine through microscope to see the attack of the pathogens. Autopsy is related to the examination of dead body. Initially, it was related to the examination of the dead plant. Plant also undergo some kind of the natural diseases like wart, wilt, and so many things. And later, it is related to the study of dead people. And thereafter, we looked up the different type of the root. Till now we come across like anthrop means, we have discussed in the first class that anthrop means mankind. Anthropology is a subject to study the mankind. Anthropologist is a specialist who study expert in the history of the mankind, from the hunters, gatherers to the mystics, sophisticated civilization we become now. Then logos is a study of science. Astron means a star. Nautus means sailor. Nos means a ship. Dis means against. Nomus means law and order, like astronomy. So astronomy literally means order of the stars. That was the first chapter of the astronomy. Initially, astronomy included the study of the arrangement. Thereafter, we made different type of the constellations in the sky, putting some kind of the shape, stories, mythological characters, and we figured out the seasons. Like some of the seasons only came in some kind, we decided the summer's constellation, winter constellation, and so on. Today, if you go to the sky, if you look to the sky, you may find some of the constellation appears in the sky. Yesterday was, I think, yesterday or day after yesterday was Buddha Purnima. That is full moon day. Okay. Metron means measurement. Geo means earth. Geographian. Graphian means to write. Bios means life. Office means view inside, where the word ophthalmologist is based on. Okay. So they are related to your view or sight. Basically, they are taking care of your beautiful eyes. And botany is related to the plant, and zoon is related to the animal.
And
So Z double O, zoology, but we don't call it zoology, we call
Zoology.
it zoology. What do we call it?
Zoology. Zoology.
Yes, wonderful, zoology. Now it is the time for dear Karishma to shine, and quiz time for dear Karishma. So here you are getting two columns, the words, and here are you getting meaning but mismatched. So dear Karishma is supposed to match the word with their meaning. So here you go with the very first one,
Anthropology.
anthropology.
E. It's E.
B,
The E. E. E.
science of human development. Yes, wonderful.
Development.
It is anthropology. Anthropology. Okay. The next one,
And
astronomy.
astronomy. That is G.
Yes, wonderful. Influence of the planet and stars is absolutely astronomy. Okay. No, I don't think that is the correct answer. Remember the
It's a.
influence.
एक मिनट हाँ एक मिनट एक मिनट it's it's a C.
Yes, absolutely. The science of heaven or heavenly bodies, like big celestial bodies. Okay, absolutely correct one. The astrology,
That
astrology.
that is Z. G. Influence of.
Wonderful. So astrology is those people who basically study what is the influence of the stars in our life, and indeed they are true. Later on, they were dominated by the superstitions and belief, but that was a good subject initially. So, can you tell what is the meaning of geology?
Geology means I. Earth composition.
Yes, absolutely. Earth composition. Geo means earth, logy, logos means study, okay? And you will definitely tell what is the meaning of biology.
Biology मतलब animal life.
Yes, wonderful.
D.
Now, can you pronounce the sixth word and figure out the meaning of it?
Geometry. That is A. Mapping the earth.
Yes, geometry is mapping the earth. But today the meaning of geometry has literally changed, okay? Had evolved. But initially it was the Egyptian people, those basically who measure the earth. And we can say they were especially measuring the earth, and later on they measure different type of the shape. So presently the geometry is a branch of mathematics where we study about the 2D and 3D figures like square, rectangles to sphere, cones, and cuboidal, etc. Okay, can you pronounce the seventh word and figure out the meaning of it?
That is botany. Botany means that is एक मिनट that is F. Plant science.
Wonderful. Now the eighth word. Be cautious little. Can you pronounce the word and figure out the meaning?
Geology. Zoology. Zoology. Zoology.
Incorrect. Incorrect.
Geology. Geology.
It is
Zoology.
zoology.
Oh,
Zoology. Zoology.
zoology.
Hmm.
Zoology.
Yes.
That is living matters. H.
No, it is option number D. That is animal life.
तो दादा वो बायोलॉजी क्या था फिर?
Biology, animal life. biology must be living matters, okay? It do not especially include the animal life, but all kind of the
Oh,
living organism. So
oh,
animal, if you talk about the in the science, so animal include all those living organism, but in generally we animal basically means the big animal like animal, cow, buffalo, and human. I don't think in general meaning animal includes the human, okay? So it is related to the some of the animals like cow, buffaloes, etc. But science absolutely is say that animal include all those animal, Porifera, Coelenterata, Arthropoda, Annelida, Mollusca, Animalia, Reptilia, and so many things. Means all the organisms. Okay, the ninth one, the last one.
that is B.
Yes, it is mathematical study of
Figures.
geography.
But the
No.
so ऑप्शन तो है ही नहीं ना.
So we haven't discussed about, I think, option A, okay?
The mapping the earth. Oh, sorry. Yeah,
जियोमेट्री
mapping the earth.
डिड वी हैव, तो क्या हमने
So
सिक्स्थ
हाँ, ज्योमेट्री होगा ना दादा, वो तो मैपिंग द अर्थ. हाँ, सिक्स का.
क्वेश्चन, लेट मी चेक इट आउट, हाँ। हाँ, जियोमेट्री होगा मैथमेटिकल स्टडी ऑफ फिगर्स, दैट इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी। ओके। और वैसे आप सही कह रहे थे क्योंकि इनिशियली जियोग्राफी जियोमेट्री का बेसिकली मैपिंग द अर्थ ही था, मेजरमेंट ऑफ द अर्थ। लेकिन जो एक्चुअल मीनिंग है, मतलब जो इवॉल्व मीनिंग है उसका, वो है मैथमेटिकल स्टडी ऑफ फिगर्स। एंड जियोग्राफी लिटरली मीन्स मैपिंग ऑफ अर्थ। सो हम मैप से ही डिसाइड करते हैं कि अर्थ का जो है सरफेस सरफेस कैसा है, टोपोग्राफी कैसी है, फिजिकल फीचर्स कैसे हैं। ओके। जियोग्राफी को लोग बेसिकली कहते हैं स्टडी ऑफ अर्थ। स्टडी ऑफ अर्थ के अंदर तो जियोलॉजी भी आता है ना, माने उसका मिनरल कॉम्पोजिशन भी आता है, बट दैट फॉर वी टेक द टर्म दैट जियोलॉजी। Geography is the study of surface, okay? Well, precise meaning is the study of the surface. Geography, that's it, okay? Got the difference? Many people don't know, but you know what is the meaning of geologist and geographer now, okay? Now we have the second column to do, that is column A and column B, and you have to match with the column A to B. And here are the word, okay? So your task is to pronounce the word and find the meaning of it, okay? And I'll correct
Okay.
whenever you are mispronouncing the word.
करूँ.
Starting with the first.
Autopsy. Autopsy.
Yes.
That is
I think you are getting a little bit confused. So, should I proceed to the previous slide? What is the meaning of autopsy? Autopsy, examination of the dead body. Okay. I
that.
told you it was initially started with the examination of the dead plant. So we took part of the dead plant and we figure out by which kind of the disease has it been, okay, has it been died. Okay. Later on we study the dead body, including the animals, the humans. Okay. Autopsy basically means now it could be the meaning of study of heavenly body, not at all. Examination of living tissue, no, not at all.
M.
Examination of the dead body, yeah. You are a detective. Now, can you pronounce the word?
Biopsy. Biopsy means गलत. अरे गलत है.
Yes, it is biopsy.
अच्छा, biopsy. Oh, sorry. Biopsy. Biopsy means एक मिनट. Dead body and C.
Well done. Correct answer. The next word.
Biography. 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 एक मिनट इसमें and
Written account of
written.
someone's life. Wonderful
हाँ,
answer. So can you tell me what are the roots included in the biography? Biography. Biography.
bio.
No, not
Biography.
bio.
Graph
It is
बस right.
biography.
Sorry, biography.
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 Hmm.
It's a bio and plus graphy. Graphy means to write and bio means living. मतलब sorry, some I living ही होता
Yes,
है.
you can say living or life. Okay, wonderful.
हाँ,
Impressed. Okay, the next one.
autobiography. Autobiography.
Well,
Autobiography.
very, very close. Auto, we not called it auto, but autobiography. Autobiography. Okay, autobiography.
Autobiography.
Hmm.
Autobiography. That is uh, life story written by oneself. G.
Wonderful answer. The next one.
Cosmo.
Okay, the next
क्या
one
है?
is zodiac. Okay, I think I forgot to tell the meaning of the zodiac. Zodiac. So you know the meaning of the
Sorry.
zoo, that is animal,
Yes.
and zodiac. So it must related to the. We don't have any word that include zoo. Okay, only word is fifth, that is zodiac. So wherever we find the animal, study of human body, examination of living tissue, no, not at all. Starship, space traveler, no. Life story written by a great in misfortune. Instrument to measure time, diagram of the sign used in astrology, independence rule, sailor among the star, examination of the dead body, written account of this. Okay, there should be zodiac. Okay, so I don't think there is some niche printing. So we forgot to include the meaning of zodiac. Okay, so till now you can move on to the question number six.
तो एक 2 मिनट. हाँ, 1 मिनट.
No problem at all.
और बाकी के बच्चे भाई, बाकी के लोग, बाकी को क्या हुआ? बाकी के लोग क्यों नहीं नोट्स बना पाए? बाकी को क्या हुआ भाई?
Okay, are we ready to go?
यस.
Okay, so zodiac was related to the astrology, basically the stars constellation, I think. हमारे यहाँ बोलते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, कुंडली, राशि बोलते हैं शायद, है ना? हमारे यहाँ जो राशि बोलते हैं, उसी तरह से जो
कुंडली.
ग्रीक माइथोलॉजी के अंदर होता है वो जॉडिक होता है, जैसे लियो वगैरह वगैरह. Okay, so it is related to the astrology. We don't have any option for that, so you can move on to the question number six.
Astronaut. Astronaut. Astronaut means
Okay, look after H.
H. हाँ, H. 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 H.
After the H, not TH.
एच नहीं है?
No, 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 not at all.
हम्म
Hmm. Astron means a star, not means related to sailor ship. Sail.
so so I
Wonderful answer. That is absolutely correct. It is sailor among the star, which literally or astronaut means. Okay, astronaut means a star, not means a sailor ship. So literally, astronaut means one who sail among the stars, and that is true. Astronaut go to the space and he sail among the stars. The next one is
next one is cosmonaut cosmonaut
yes. It is actually pronounced as cosmonaut. Cosmonaut. Okay. But you can say
cosmonaut
cosmonaut, no problem at all. Many people say cosmos.
दादा ये लास्ट में बताओ पहले और बता दूं नॉटिकल ये वो
Mm-hmm.
है बता दूं
हाँ, yes.
ओके सो नॉटिकल रिलेटेड टू शिप्स एंड सेलिंग्स डी
Hmm.
8 का डी
Yes, relating to ship and sailing nautical means, and ninth means B self.
ऑटोनमस
Yes, it is A self rule.
सेल्फ यस सेल्फ गवर्निंग
Autonomy, self-governing. Autonomous means self-rule. Where you will find the word metronome. You must be knowing the meaning of the metronome, right? Measurement of the related to the ship. Nomos related. No, not shape, but the order. Okay, nomos means order. Okay, are you comfortable?
एक मिनट क्या कह रहे हो खाना वो बना दो ना इसको पनीर बना दो अभी नए नए आना है अभी तो हो जाएगी 9 दिन में
Okay, you can turn off your mic.
अच्छा ये मेरे लिए नए नए आना भी है
Okay,
यस
ready? So metronome basically means measurement of the order. Okay, measurement of the order. So it was a musical instrument that helped the musician to play the music. It is like tick 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 tick, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so in India we use tanpura, or the musician gayak use the beats tabla or tal for that. In western part of the world, they use tick 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 for practicing their music. So it is a instrument. Astrophysics means physics related to the stars. An asterisk was a sign, starred shape sign we used to highlight any in the book. So if you want to put a little emphasis on that particular thing word, like please watch, this particular thing has two meaning. This is a little bit ambiguous according to this data, that is it. According to that data, that is it. Asterisk. Now you will tell me the meaning of the disaster. Disaster.
डिजास्ट 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 एक मिनट हाँ just एक मिनट. It could be हाँ H.
Yes,
Great
wonderful
miss.
answer. Disaster, it means great misfortune, Durbhagya, originally linked to the star. So
तो
it
आज के
was
लिए इतना ही करें.
no, we have to finish a little bit. Okay, are you get tired?
I'm not tired. Actually मेरे रूम पे थोड़ा शोर है ना.
कहाँ जाना है?
मेरे रूम पे थोड़ा शोर है ना. वो
कोई बात
जा
नहीं,
रही है
मुझे
तो
चलेगा,
पैकिंग.
एक्सेप्टेबल है।
चलेगा आपको.
हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल। अरे
हाँ तब
यस एब्सोल्युटली।
ठीक है.
अगर तुम्हें इन्वॉल्व होना है तो थोड़ी देर बाद हो जाना, मतलब इन दैट केस।
हाँ हाँ.
बर्थडे पार्टी वगैरह है किसी की?
बर्थडे पार्टी नहीं है, मतलब जा रही है ना कल को तो ऐसे.
ओके ठीक है, अभी थोड़ी देर में विश कर देना। हार्डली वी हैव 15 मिनट, समथिंग लाइक 10 और 15 मिनट, देन वी आर गुड टू गो। और ये हम किसका कर रहे हैं, एक सेशन का क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं। ओके तो
दादा ये इस सेशन का लास्ट रहेगा ना.
नहीं, इसके बाद
फिर
एक और
वो
सेशन है इसी में, फिर वो लास्ट है।
दादा ये कितना बोरिंग है ये.
देखो इसमें तुम क्या है, तुम वर्ड याद कर रही हो, अभी तुम्हें रियलाइज नहीं हो रहा, बट तुम सारे वर्ड्स को ना याद कर ले रही हो। अभी मैं तुम्हें दिखाता हूँ चमत्कार। तो हमने ये वाला किया था, यस और नो, और जल्दी से एकदम वार्म अप कर लेते हैं वापस से। An anthropologist studies our anthropologist studies concern with the plant life. ओके
नो
हमने शायद क्वेश्चन नंबर, ओके, आर एस्ट्रोनॉमिकल नंबर्स एक्सट्रीमली स्मॉल?
नो दे आर एक्सट्रीमली लार्ज.
यस, इज एन एस्ट्रोलॉजर इंटरेस्टेड इन द टाइम एंड डेट ऑफ योर बर्थ?
यस.
Are nautical maneuvers carried on at a sea?
यस.
Okay. Okay, now I'll tell you how to answer. Okay. If somebody is asking question related to are, so you will say yes, they are. If somebody is asking question related to is, yeah, yes, you will say it is. Okay. Like somebody asking question related to the does, you will say yes, it does. Okay. Does a
ओके.
biologist study on non-living things?
नो
He
इट
don't.
इट्स नॉट. इट इट डोंट.
Is a geologist concerned with the structure of the earth?
जियोलॉजिस्ट.
Hmm.
यस. इट इट एस
He
इट
is.
इज. इट इज.
He is, it is, or he does, ऐसा भी कह सकते हैं। Does
ओके. आपने हनी लिया था.
हाँ हनी तो लिया, बट बोलने में चोकिंग हो रही है, बाकी तो ठीक लग रहा है। ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल। सो डज अ botanist study animal life?
Botanist. No, it don't.
Yes. Is zoology the study of animals?
Geology. Yes, it
It,
does.
yes, wonderful. Does geography deals with mapping the earth?
Yes, it does.
Okay. Is a biography the story of person's life written by someone else?
Yes, it does.
Hmm. Is an autobiography written by another person?
No, it don't.
Does a biopsy involve examination of living tissue?
Biopsy, living tissue. Yes, it does.
Is an autopsy performs on a living person?
No, it don't.
Does autonomy means self-government?
Autonomy. Yes, it is.
Is a disaster something fortune and beneficial?
No, it don't.
नो इट इज नॉट एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट। सो आपने देखा कितना मैजिकल है, आपने सारे वर्ड्स को याद कर लिया, बट आपको रियलाइज नहीं हो रहा है। अब बारी आती है रिकॉल करने की, जैसा कि आपको सभी को याद हो गया। सो साइंस ऑफ द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द मैन काइंड, व्हाट डू वी कॉल इट?
That is anthropologist.
नो आई डोंट आस्क फॉर द पर्सन द एक्सपर्ट ऑन इट, आई आस्क अबाउट
Oh,
द
anthropologist. Anthropologist. Sorry.
It was anthropology. Okay, it is asking for the subject or science. Anthropologist.
Sorry.
Anthropologist, expert of the anthropology. Science of
Okay.
heavenly bodies.
That is astrology.
Astronomy. Okay, it is asking for the science of the heavenly bodies, not the expert on it. Theory of influence of the
Astro,
stars and planet.
ast,
Influence of the stars
astrology.
and hmm?
Theory of astrology.
No, it is not astronology, but it is astrology. Astrology. Okay, astrology.
भगवान हाँ astrology.
Science of Earth's composition. I want you to answer this question absolutely correct. Otherwise, you will get punished for it.
एक मिनट science of the earth is composition, that is geography.
पाप लगेगा तुम्हें.
जो
Earth's
अच्छा
composition,
wait
meaning
wait
inside the earth.
एक मिनट geography geometry no that is
Hmm.
तो measurement है ना.
Hmm.
रुको एक मिनट रुकिए दादा एक मिनट हाँ एक मिनट wait geography geometry geo
There was
दो ही तो थे दादा एक geography
yeah, there was another word. Those people who study the surface are geographer, and those people who study beneath the earth about the composition, the structure of the earth, they were geologist. Okay, geologist is the correct answer. Science
geologist.
of living matter. You will definitely
That
answer
is
this.
biology. Biology.
Biology.
Biology.
Biology.
Biology.
Mathematical study
Biology.
of figures. Answer this correctly.
Geometry. Geometry.
Wonderful. Science of plant life.
That is botany.
Yes. Science of animal life. I want you to pronounce this word absolutely correct.
Okay. Geology.
Zoology. Okay.
हाँ
Zoology.
अभी और बोला था मैंने अभी और बोला.
हाँ बोला लेकिन तुमने जियोलॉजी करके कुछ बोला जी बोला ठीक है इट इज नॉट जी इट इज
It is
जूलॉजी जूलॉजी ओके अदरवाइज इट
geology.
विल बिकम
Geology.
जियोलॉजी लाइक द स्टडी ऑफ अर्थ
Hmm.
साइंस ऑफ मैपिंग द अर्थ
That
मैपिंग
is geometry. Geometry.
geometry no you have answered about the geometry mathematical study of figures that is geometry science of
Oh, that is
mapping
रुकिए एक मिनट. Geometry. Geography.
yes wonderful and we have few more that been left life study related story of a person's life written by another.
Okay, that is biography. Biography. Biography.
Yeah, you are getting smarter, okay, in pronunciation. Story of one's own life written by oneself.
That is autobiography. Autobiography.
Autobiography, okay, wonderful. Examination of a dead body.
That is autopsy. Autopsy.
Autopsy.
Autopsy. Autopsy.
Examination of living tissue.
Examine of living tissue. That is biopsy.
Wonderful. Space traveler, sailor among the star, which that literally means
That is astrologer.
astro.
Astronaut. Not
Hmm.
astronaut.
Yes, Russian term for the space traveler. Uh,
That is
I remember
andro-
I told you pronounce it as a za instead of saw. Sa.
that is cars. पता नहीं था.
The word start with C.
Casio. See, Casiographer. Casio.
Okay, it is cosmology. Cosmology. Okay, wonderful.
Cosmo.
Diagram of star
Cosmology. Sorry.
signs used in astrology. Diagram of the star sign. I told you like different type of the signs. तो राशियां को हम क्या कहते हैं इंग्लिश में हम क्या कहते हैं राशियां zodiac okay you will struggle a little bit because I haven't told you it is zodiac okay zodiac is
Jordan.
एक इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन ऑफ राशियां आप कह सकते हो branch of physics dealing with the heavenly bodies like stars
That is एक मिनट, ये अभी तो पढ़ा था।
So the word start with the A.
हाँ, ए से ही है। एस्ट्रोम एस्ट्रोनॉमिकल एस्ट्रोनॉमिकल
It is
एस्ट्रो
astrophysics.
एस्ट्रोफिजिक्स
Yes, because it is asking for the physics, right? The branch of
फिजिक्स, ओ
physics.
सॉरी, हाँ, एस्ट्रोफिजिक्स।
A star-shaped symbol used in writing to special emphasis to correct something to show different meaning of something. Word also start with A. If you answer
एस्ट्रो
this question correctly, we will end this session. Otherwise, we are going to take for one more hour.
इट्स ओके, चलेगा, पूरा नहीं आ रहा मेरे को।
Okay, it is asterisk.
एस्ट्रे
Asterisk. Asterisk.
एस्ट्रेलिस।
Asterisk.
ओके,
Okay, wonderful.
एस्ट्रेलिस।
ओके क्योंकि आपने आंसर अच्छे से नहीं दिया था इसलिए अब और करते हैं इंडिपेंडेंस सेल्फ रूल स्टार्ट विद द ए
इंडिपेंडेंट सेल्फ रूल, दैट इज, सब ऐसे ही है क्या ये?
वर्ड स्टार्ट विद ए
इंडिपेंडेंट सेल्फ रूल, दैट वाज, पता नहीं होता।
दैट वाज ऑटोनमी
ऑटोनमी, ऑटोनमी।
ऑटोनमी शायद वी हैव डिस्कस्ड इट बट द वर्ड कम अगेन सो वी हैव ऑटोनमी ओके इंडिपेंडेंट सेल्फ रूल इज ऑटोनमी सेल्फ गवर्निंग इज ऑटोनमस
ऑटोनमस।
the measurement instrument for the measurement of the musical time I have especially emphasized it on it and told you
तान्स,
tick tick
तानसुरा
tick
टाइप।
tick 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 not Tanpura girl what are you doing girl
आई डोंट नो दादा, ये इतने अजीब से हैं ये सारे
the
के
word
सारे।
start with M so it is
हाँ,
metronautical I think oh even I forget
यू फॉरगॉट दादा।
metronautical okay we will check it I think it is metronomical something like this related to the shape and navigation.
दैट इज नॉट नॉटिकल।
Yes, wonderful. Great misfortune linked to the star.
दैट
You will
इज
answer this question
डिजास्टर,
correctly.
डिजास्टर,
Yes.
डिजास्टर,
Okay, as
डिजास्टर।
you have answered this question absolutely correct, and we are going to stop this class for today. Okay. So thank you so much. Had I submitted the PPT to you?
यस।
Okay, so we will meet on the very next class of it, and then we will say bye bye to it. Okay. So thank you so much, dear
ओके,
Karishma.
थैंक यू सो मच दादा।
Okay, most welcome.